Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video I will show you how to restore deleted photos from Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! First, you want to simply navigate into your gallery. Now let's say that I will delete this photo right here. And now I actually didn't remove it, I have moved it into the recycle bin. How can we access the recycle bin? Well, luckily for you, it's very easy. You want to simply check your tabs here and you want to switch from pictures to menu. And now inside here, you want to go into recycle bin. And as you can see, this recycle bin shows item deleted from gallery, my files and some third-party applications, and these items here will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So if you have accidentally deleted something, you still have more than a month to simply think that, hey, maybe I don't want to delete that. And as you can see, all of these photos have 30 days counter because I have moved them to trash bin here. So for example, I can go into that image I have just deleted and I can simply hit restore, and as you can see now it disappeared from this recycle bin and it's now back into the pictures. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.